This is the BMW iDrive 8.5 in the new 5 Series and i5. Of course, the newest feature is called QuickSelect. You can see here on the left side. It's a new way to interact with the functions of the car compared to the tiles that you used to see on the screen there. You can customize this, of course. And the map, it's always gonna be the default screen because BMW thinks that's the most important feature in the car. Of course, there's some other functions that were improved. Like right there, the climate controls. So if I turn it on, you can see it's got a digital screen. So it's a lot easier to adjust it compared to iDrive 8. It's the same thing in iDrive 9, so no changes there. You can see it's the digital dashboard, essentially what you used to have here as physical buttons. Of course, you can also do this from what I remember. You can control the cooling and heating of the steering wheel and the seats from that menu, or on this side as well. You're getting just the seats because there's no steering wheel. Other functions of the car, of course, you can go back to all the apps that are available. You can search for some. You have the Air Console games we just played. You can watch Bundesliga football in the car. Of course, it's available with the theater screen, the 7 Series, and naturally you have plenty of apps here. If you're getting iDrive 9 in some cars, that's going to come with Android App Store. So essentially a lot more apps there. Once again, a little bit more simplified, easier to navigate. It's quite responsive, and I think the voice control has improved quite a bit. I had a chance to do a test. So for example, hey BMW.
Activating encrypted online speech processing expands the functionality and improves the quality of speech.
Hey BMW, take me to Berlin Airport.
Let's go.
You see it a lot faster. Let's try again. Hey BMW, take me to Hotel Berlin.
I have found these destinations for hotel. Which one should I select?
So you see, because I didn't give it an exact name, it came up with a lot of searches, but it was quite fast. You can also see that it's recognizing my voice and translating that. And of course, the more you use the system, the better it gets at that. But nonetheless, a lot faster in the response compared to iDrive 8. Of course, you can test that when you get the iDrive 8.5 in your car. So once again, the main feature, it's called QuickSelect, and you can see it right there on the left side, and you can customize the different functions there. And it's similar to before, but just different widgets. So once again, BMW iDrive 8.5 in the new 5 Series.